Welcome back, y'all, to another RV DIY. If you're new here, my name is Alexa and we are the Vigers. We sold our home back in February, bought an RV, and have been traveling the country with our two kids that are 4 and 1 and our pup. This is the last DIY room makeover of our current RV. If you haven't seen the other DIY videos, you can go back and check them out. These makeovers are super simple. I didn't do much more than add peel and stick wallpaper and a few decor items. The ones I had already done were the kitchen, our bathroom, the master bedroom, our son Oakley's room, and this is the last one, which is our daughter Lila's room, which is the loft that we turned into her bedroom. As you can see here, I actually removed the mattress that came with the RV. This was a workout and a half, but I knew I wanted to make the room more cozy for her and feel more like a bedroom. You'll see later when I put the mattress back up that it's magically half the size. I didn't take a video of this, unfortunately, but I ended up just cutting the mattress in half and sewing the one side closed to open up the space and just make it more livable for her. So for Lila's room, I just wanted to go really basic again, kind of like I did with Oakley's room and not use full sheet wallpaper. Her favorite color is purple, so I just got these cute purple, almost watercolor looking circles and put a few up on her tiny wall. I'll put the link in the description box below. Pretty much the same as applying all the other wallpapers. I just applied the circles, then went back over with the gift card or smoothing tool to make sure that they really stuck to the wall. Next, and probably one of my favorite parts, is her floor. Like I said, I wanted it to feel homey and like a real bedroom for her. So we went with peel and stick flooring, which who knew existed because it is such a great idea. She had such a blast helping out. And even though it took me a bit longer to get done, it's definitely so worth it to involve your kids. They have so much fun, and then you have these awesome moments to look back on.
Okay, so I use it. What this will help you.
Why did I only get this much?
I help you if you want.
Do you want me to?
I will help you if you want.
Okay.
That's rolling for me, so I can roll it.
Okay. Can you roll it? Got it?
Okay, so
Alright, hey, no, leave that there. Alright, let's try and be quiet, so, because Oakley's gonna try and go to sleep, okay?
oh, it's
Hold it. There you go. Hold it up. Yep. Good job. Keep holding it up. Yep. Good job. Good job, Lila.
that to you. I spray it to you.
Bring
I
what
spray
to me?
that to you.
Oh, you want to bring
It's probably like in centimeters.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Because I thought I ordered extra too.
Let's get out. Don't watch Mama.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
It's freaking hot out there.
It's open. Turn the fan on, see if it helps.
I don't want the well. I want the fan on.
Well, we're just
I
gonna-
like it.
We're gonna turn it on now, and then when you go to bed, we'll turn it off, okay? But it's kind of hot up here.
It's not hot. It's not hot. It's just warm.
It's not hot, it's just warmy. And leave it on, please. Leave it on, please.
It's just
Well,
warm.
mommy's hot, so I'm turning it on. Cash.
Aww.
What? Here, can you put that? Oops. Put that.
I'll tell me and I'll get it.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, so.
So when I had originally bought the sheets for the flooring, I didn't buy nearly enough. I think I must have measured wrong the first time. So her floor was half done for a little while until I was able to order more. and find time to finish it. I'm so glad I was finally able to do it though, because it looks so good. Also, if you can see in this video, some of the floor is that shiny silver and black material. I didn't get a video of this being put down, but this was my husband's idea and it's worked pretty great so far. He covered the whole floor before we did the wood flooring. It's called Silas. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's a type of sound deafening material. Most people put them in their car, but my husband thought this would be a good idea to line her floor with it because her bedroom is right above her brother Oakley's room. And it is an RV, so the walls and floors are thin and noise travels through. And we didn't want her thumping around up there and waking Oakley up while he was sleeping. It's honestly also helped to add a little extra padding and bounce so it's not as hard when she's up there crawling around and playing. Now, aside from the flooring, this was probably my favorite part, getting to decorate the bedroom and have it all come together. Here you can see me putting the bed back up. That's now half the size. I also put this cute little rug up there that added an adorable touch. Then I just added some pillows, a few blankets, and a little toy bin. You'll see a closer view of the room later on in this video, but if you can see in the back behind the big cat pillow is all of her other stuffed animals. And then to the left in the other little compartment is where we put all of her books, and we also store her overnight pull-ups up there. We also wanted her to have her privacy and make sure the light stayed out at night since she doesn't have a door. So we just bought this tension rod and some curtains, and it goes from wall to wall to cover the entire opening, and it just gives her a little makeshift door. She's able to sleep better at night, and it really just helps to make it a little homier, which is what we were going for. And she absolutely loves her room, and I just absolutely love how it all turned out. So thank y'all for watching and following along. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload every Wednesday. Comment on this video, give it a like. Don't forget to follow us over on Instagram, and we'll see you again next week. Happy travels and God bless.